Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a expansive two-level home for sale. It comes with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. It sits on approximately 1/3 acre of land along with 4,318 square feet of floor space. It is located in the very sought after neighborhood of Widcombe at Kingston 6. The residence has loads of storage areas, a den, dedicated dining room, a helper's quarters, bonus recreational room, covered 2-car parking, and room to expand. Please do not disturb the occupants. Call for an appointment to view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 97 million or US $630.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.